To help you quickly draw up lights with special locations, Seiko Edge offers a new functionality to the Door Order tab, the Light Configuration tool. Located at the end of each line, you will see a column simply named Light Drawing with a drawing icon. To launch this special feature, you will need to choose one of 4 light designs, which are conveniently located at the end of the door design menu: SX, SCO, MLD, and MLC. SX and SCO are for single light door designs, with SX being for visible glass and SCO being for cutout. MLD and MLC are for multi-light door designs, with MLD being for visible glass and MLC being for cutout. Multi-light designs will only launch 2 lights for you to build locations in this tool. If you have more than 2 lights, please choose the appropriate door design such as 3GCO and attach a drawing. When you have selected either of the 4 door designs, you can click on the drawing button in the light drawing column and a new window will display to you to begin building your light locations. To get you started, Seiko will provide you with a vision light 10x10, which is seated in the center of the door. What if you have a narrow light 5x27? First, we must deselect the center horizontally button. Now we have access to all vertical and horizontal locations. To make this a 5x27, we must enter 5 in the H2 field and 27 in the V2 field. Next, we will need to enter our top rail in the V1 field and our lock style in the H1 field. Once you have your light dimensions entered, click the Simulate button and Edge will display the light configuration in the door image. When you are finished, click Save and then close out the drawing. Edge will assign a drawing number for that light design, which will be displayed in the sketch number column. The drawing generated by this light tool can be seen along with a copy of the order form in Print Preview. When the order is placed into the factory, both order form and drawing will be sent together for our order management team to work from. Seiko Edge is proud to add helpful tools like the light drawing configuration tool to help you become even more efficient in your projects. Thank you for using Seiko Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.